Now we add a generous amount of high quality extra virgin olive oil to the chicken. Make sure to coat it evenly for that perfect golden skin. We're using a heavy cleaver to crush the rock salt directly onto the skin. Really work it in there for the best flavor. We don't want it falling into the fire. Next, we add the spices, paprika and pepper, then finish with a slow drizzle of high quality olive oil.
Using the cleaver, finely chop the green onions until they are very small. Then, use the blade to scrape them directly into the bowl with the other herbs.
We are looking for Rumex acetosella, also known as wood sorrel. It has a distinctive tangy, lemony flavor. I'm giving them a quick rinse in the cold. Next, the tomatoes go in, a good stream of high quality extra virgin olive oil to bind it all together, and we toss gently until combined. Now we baste. Using the herbs intensifies the flavor while keeping the skin incredibly crisp over this open flame. After kneading, we roll the dough flat and generously stuff it with cheese. Fold it tightly, trim the excess, and roll it one last time. After melting the butter in the cast iron, we'll place the dough directly over the fire, a little olive oil, then we flip until it's perfectly golden brown. The key is to pinch the stems firmly, gathering a small bundle of both the thyme and the sage.